Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Frag Brothers. I'm your friend Kaushik, and today in this video I'm going to review Parag Kasturi Gold. So let us begin. So coming on the company Parag. Parag is an indigenous brand. It hails from Madhya Pradesh MP and it has wide ranges of perfumes and ethers in collection. You can check out their products at Amazon and Flipkart, and very recently I have came across their advertisements in these platforms and I have watched a few YouTube reviews of this brand. So I finally purchased Kasturi Gold from Amazon. I paid 833 rupees for 25 ml. So this is basically a budget ether or a budget fragrance. So this ether has a very unique characteristics, a very unique aroma profile. It has a very masculine sort of musky smell, which is not overpowering, not very sharp, not very deep, but very beautifully balanced musky smell with a touch of animalic essence in the opening. In the mid it becomes spicy, and in the heart note it settles to a very beautiful clean musky scent. So this is the 25 ml Parag Kasturi Gold with this free bottle. It comes in this packaging, and this is the product. You can see it has a golden body. It looks very nice, very decent. You can see the writing Kasturi Gold 25 ml. So let me open. So I have applied a little bit oil here. The viscosity is very minimum. It is not a dense oil, it is a very light oil, very easy for application. You are getting this fancy bottle. This is free with this package. It's for easy application. It is a roll-on head, so you can pour the liquid into this bottle and use it directly. So this fragrance reminds me of a very well-known fragrance from the house of H.S. Kelkar, which is Fancy Bouquet. So it has a striking similarity with Fancy Bouquet, but as I have said before, it has a very unique profile. It gives you a musky feel, a little bit animalic essence, and bit spicy characteristics, which is obviously a unique aroma profile of its own. So now coming on the details which are mentioned in the packaging. Parag is an ISO certified company and it is alcohol free. They have mentioned as real and natural fragrance, but here comes the dubious part. It says apparel use only, external use only, and not for the skin. And there is no ingredient list mentioned at the packaging or even in the bottle. So let me tell you that most of the natural ethers, or the ethers which are made of natural oils I have used earlier, are completely safe for direct application on skin. There is no issues, no health issues. But here the company Parag warns you not to use it directly into your skin. Rather you have to use it in your clothes, as this one is apparel perfume oil or ether. So the overall view of Parag Kasturi Gold is very satisfactory. It has a manly smell. It stays nearly 7 to 8 hours on direct application on skin, and in clothes it may last more than a day. It has a very unique soothing profile, a balanced aroma, not overpowering. You can use it in any occasion, and it is an all-time wear. You can use it in office, in your home when you are relaxing, or you may use it during the time when you hang out with your friends. It's definitely a compliment gainer. I have been complimented wearing this one, so I know this fact very well, and it is very budget friendly. So I am giving the link of this ether in my description box. Please use this link if you are interested in this product. It is a very good product, and if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. I will back with new video in new episodes. Thanks for watching.